There are some great psychotropic agents in development.
Really? Doesn't seem like there's anything exciting in the pipeline.
Well, what do you prescribe, huh?
I prescribe.
And how about you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well, what about Dr. Kanicki?
What? Well,
Yeah, that's what I thought. Now come on, guys. Look, this drug could be a major therapeutic advancement. Now look at this. Why, this drug could be serotonergic, dopaminergic, glutamatergic. Why, this could be greased lightning!
Grease lightning!
With blocks and dopamine receptors in the prefrontal cortex, oh yeah.
Keep talking, whoa, keep talking.
And reuptake caught up and serotonin flowing, oh yeah.
We'll make it better, we need to make it
Well,
better.
now for one we can't score no epinephrine, that's for sure. You know the glutamate may open up the gate. Grease lightning.
Go, 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 go.
Grease lightning, you're making patients start to smile.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
Grease lightning, you're closer to the clinical trial.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
You are supreme, clinician's dream. You're grease lightning.
Go, 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 go.
Pirate C2A in the cortex cingulate, oh yeah. A melatonin booster, sleep will regulate, oh yeah. With them glue receptors blocked, we can start at the clocks. You know that I am bragging.
He won't fall off the wagon.
Grease lightning.
Go, 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 go.
Grease lightning, you're making patients start to smile.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
Grease lightning, you're coasting through the clinical trial.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
You are supreme, clinician's dream. You're grease lightning.
Go, 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 go.
Grease lightning, you're making patients start to smile.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the clinical trial.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
You are supreme, clinician's dream. You're grease lightning.